x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn be a random sample from PDF 1 if x belongs to theta plus 1. So that means equivalently we can say xi follows, xi is equals to some theta plus ui, where this ui follows uniform 0, 1. So if I consider the options, a smallest sample observation, largest sample observation and sample mean, we have to examine. So first, smallest sample observation is a consistent estimator of theta. So that means if I consider, let's say mn is the minimum, so that is nothing but minimum of xi plus minimum of xi, that is nothing but theta plus minimum of ui. So probability of mod of mn minus theta greater than epsilon is probability of mn is greater than theta plus epsilon. So that means probability that all xi are greater than theta plus epsilon. So that is nothing but probability of u1 greater than epsilon, u2 greater than epsilon and so on. Un is greater than epsilon. So that means it is probability of ui greater than epsilon whole to the power of n, which is nothing but 1 minus epsilon whole to the power of n. And this tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, because it is 1 minus which is tending to 1 minus whole to the power infinity. So a value just less than 1 whole to the power infinity will just tend to 0. So that means we can say mn tends to theta in probability. So x1 is the consistent estimator of theta. So option A is correct. So in the similar way, like if we consider the second option, so the largest sample mean, so ln is nothing but x of n, which is maximum of xi, which is theta plus max of ui. So expectation of maximum of ui is n by n plus 1. So expectation of ln is nothing but theta plus n by n plus 1, which tends to theta plus 1 as n tends to infinity. So therefore it is not consistent estimator. Whereas if we consider the third statement, sample mean is a consistent estimator. So sample mean is x bar, which in probability tends to expectation of x1, which is nothing but theta plus 1 by 2. So that means x bar converges to theta plus 1 by 2 and not theta. So therefore x bar is not consistent. Therefore correct option is option A.